From the moment a woman discovers she's pregnant, one question immediately fills everyone's mind. Is it a boy or a girl? But did you know that some moms claim they could feel the answer long before the doctor confirmed it? Today, we'll uncover the science, myths, science, and fascinating ways people try to predict a baby's gender. The science behind baby gender truth is, the baby's gender is decided at the very moment of conception. Every human cell contains chromosomes, and when sperm meets egg, the combination determines whether the baby will be male or female. Mothers always provide an X chromosome, but fathers provide either an X or a Y chromosome. If the sperm carries an X chromosome, the baby becomes a girl. If it carries a Y chromosome, the baby becomes a boy. But here's what makes pregnancy fascinating. While the gender is decided instantly, parents usually won't know for months. During their first trimester, the baby develops rapidly, but the external features that identify gender are still too small to see clearly. That's why ultrasounds usually reveal the answer around 18 to 20 weeks. Today, medical technology gives us accurate ways to know the gender. Ultrasounds are the most common method. Doctors look at the baby's anatomy and determine whether male or female organs are developing. Another method is blood testing, which can sometimes identify gender as early as 10 weeks by detecting fetal DNA in the mother's bloodstream. But long before modern hospitals existed, people relied on signs and traditions. Some guessed based on cravings, mood swings, or belly shape. Even though science says these are not reliable, millions of people still love discussing them because pregnancy is emotional, mysterious, and deeply personal for many moms. The curiosity becomes part of the excitement. Some choose to know the gender immediately, while others wait until birth for the surprise. Either way, the journey of wondering whether it's a boy or a girl becomes one of the most unforgettable parts of pregnancy. Old pregnancy myths about boys and girls for centuries. Families around the world created traditions to guess a baby's gender. Some are funny, some are strange, and some are surprisingly popular even today. One of the most famous myths is about cravings. People say that if a pregnant woman craves sweet foods like chocolate, fruit, or ice cream, she's having a girl. But if she craves salty or spicy foods, it's a boy. Another belief says severe morning sickness means a girl, because female hormones may be stronger. Then, there's the belly shape theory. Older generations often claim that if the baby bump sits high, it's a girl, while a low bump means a boy. Others say carrying extra weight in the hips suggests a girl, while carrying more in the front suggests a boy. One unusual tradition involves wedding rings. Some families tie a ring to a string and hold it over the pregnant belly. If the ring swings in circles, they predict a girl. If it swings back and forth, they predict a boy. There's also the heartbeat myth. Many believe that babies with heart rates above 140 beats per minute are girls, while slower heartbeats mean boys. Doctors, however, explain that heartbeat speed changes naturally and does not reliably predict gender. Even though science dismisses most of these ideas, people continue sharing them because they create excitement and bonding during pregnancy. Grandparents, friends, and neighbors all join the guessing game. Sometimes they guess correctly by chance, which only keeps the myths alive even longer. At the heart of these traditions is something beautiful: human curiosity. Pregnancy has always felt magical, and these myths give families a way to connect emotionally long before modern scans existed. Signs moms believe reveal the gender. Many mothers say they just knew whether they were carrying a boy or girl. Some describe feeling emotionally different compared to previous pregnancies. Others notice changes in energy, appetite, or sleep. Some women carrying boys report feeling hungrier than usual and craving protein-heavy foods. They may also say their skin looked clearer during pregnancy. Meanwhile, some mothers carrying girls claim they experience stronger nausea, emotional sensitivity, and unusual food cravings. One of the most talked about signs is intuition. Countless mothers insist they had a strong inner feeling about the baby's gender, and surprisingly, many turn out correct. Scientists believe these may simply be coincidence or subconscious observation, but for moms, it often feels deeply real. Another interesting topic is movement. Some people believe boys kick harder, while girls move more gently. Again, there's no scientific proof, but these stories spread through families and communities. Dreams also play a role. Pregnant women sometimes dream about babies before learning the gender. If they repeatedly dream about a daughter or son, they may begin believing it's a sign. But here's the important truth. Every pregnancy is different. Some women carrying boys experience girl signs, while others carrying girls experience boy signs. The human body is complex, and hormones affect everyone differently. Still, these little signs create emotional connection during pregnancy. They turn ordinary days into exciting moments of wondering and imagining. Whether accurate or not, they become part of their pregnancy story parents remember forever. Modern ways to know the baby's gender today. Science provides highly accurate methods to determine a baby's gender. The most common method is the ultrasound scan performed during the second trimester. Doctors carefully examine the baby's anatomy and can usually tell whether it's male or female. With high accuracy data, another modern method is genetic blood testing, often called non-invasive prenatal testing. These tests analyzes fragments of the baby's DNA found in the mother's blood, besides checking for certain medical conditions. It can also identify gender very early in pregnancy. Some parents choose gender reveal parties, turning the announcement into a celebration. Blue balloons, pink smoke, cakes filled with colored frosting. These events have become popular worldwide. However, not everyone wants to know early. Many parents prefer waiting until birth because they enjoy the mystery and surprise. Doctors often say these can make the delivery room even more emotional and unforgettable. Technology has changed pregnancy in incredible ways. Parents can now see their baby moving in the womb, hear the heartbeat, and even get 3D images before birth. These advancements create stronger emotional bonds between families and unborn children. Still, despite all the technology, the excitement remains timeless. Whether through an ultrasound screen or a grandmother's old prediction, the question, boy or girl, continues to fascinate people across generations. The most important truth about pregnancy at the end of the day, whether the baby is a boy or girl, matters far less than one thing: health. Every parent dreams of a healthy child, safe delivery, and happy future. Pregnancy is not only about guessing gender, it's about creating life. A tiny heartbeat grows inside the mother every single day, forming fingers, eyes, emotions, and eventually a unique personality. That miracle is far more powerful than pink or blue colors. Some parents may secretly hope for a boy or girl, but once they hold their baby for the first time, those expectations disappear. Love takes over instantly. The journey of wondering, guessing, and imagining becomes part of the beauty of pregnancy. The cravings, myths, old stories, doctor visits, and emotional moments all create memories families cherish forever. So if you know someone who's pregnant, remember this: support, kindness, and care matter most. Encourage healthy eating, emotional peace, regular checkups, and happiness during pregnancy. Because no matter the gender, every baby enters the world with the same precious gift, the chance to be deeply loved. Did your family ever correctly predict a baby's gender before birth? Share your funniest pregnancy myths or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating health and life video.